Okay.
Doesn't matter. Okay, hello, folks. So, in this my one of few shots, I would like to explain or show, present how to plane the Poplar wood edge, 1.25" with a low angle block plane, which is made here in Canada, Veritas brand, and I love it because it has really nice and sharp edge. I mean the blade, and you can see how smooth the cut will be. And yeah, this is the board. I clamp it here, nothing fancy, just clamping my small table in garage. And yeah, let's have a make a job. See how the direction is on the wood. If the direction is the same direction, so I continue planing. If it's opposite, I turn the board around. Okay? Yeah, cutting smoothly. Okay, just move the clamp a little bit off. A little bit further, and continue planing here. Now let me try to make one long shot. Okay, let's have a look. One long shot. Let's go. Okay, that's what it is. It's almost like 3 feet long. I don't know how to call it in English, but this is it. Hello? Yes, hi. Yes, Peter. But which Peter you want to talk? As I plane the edge, I want to smooth it out the surface, the large surface with the 220 grit sandpaper, and using nice sander, which is not hooked on vacuum, which should be hooked on a vacuum to prevent dust around me and breathing the dust. I forgot my vacuum cleaner somewhere on the side. Anyway, now the same board, I want to smooth it out with a 220 sandpaper. I'm checking the surface if there is rough or uneven spot. If there is some, I put it sander on a rough sanding. If it's not that rough, I just I set it up for nice and smooth. I see this few spot here which should be sanded by the rougher sanding. As you can see, the sander rotates quite nicely and evenly. You need to keep it pretty hard in the hand because otherwise it flies all over. You can see the brown marks, they'll disappear, and uneven cutting after the planer. Not bad. So these boards are preparing for door frame and side light. It's 2 side lights, 24 inches each, and 38 inches door. And you'll see at the end, final. It's gonna be painted though, but still needs to be made nice and smooth.